Okay, welcome everyone. As we learn the Mishna Yomis for this beautiful Sunday night of the upcoming Parshas Yisro, Seves Hadibros. That's a real special parsha, and we are learning Mishnah Gimel and Mishnah Daled in the 8th parak of Kesuvos, sponsored by the Fisher family, Lila Nishmas Basi Bas Rabit, Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, and Neshama Shadav and Aliyah, and Lila Nishmas Chaim ben Avram ben Yom Benish, Lefush Lema, Fela Yom Moshe ben Chayesara, and for the schus of Avram ben Yom Benish ben Balk Yudis and family, for Yo Klugman and family, for the Parnas Berevach Bechavit, and the Refush Lema for Meir ben Chayesara. So the Mishnah tells us, Naflu lak safim, if the woman that's married, let's say we'll call her Sarah is married, and it falls to her money, cash, from her maternal home, so Yelokach bem karka, she buys with it real estate, the husband gets the usufruct, the use of the fruits, and she retains the ownership of the real estate. Or he could buy apartments and he gets the rent and she owns the houses. If let's say she inherits a field with fruit attached to the ground, Amar Rameir, so Rameir says, we evaluate how much the land is worth without the fruit and how much the land is worth with the fruit. So let's say it's worth $3,000 without the fruit, and with the fruit attached to it, it's worth $4,000. So that $1,000 of the fruit which she inherited, we sell the fruit, buy more real estate. The difference, we buy more real estate, the real estate is hers, and he gets to use the fruit. The Chacham disagree. If she inherits land with fruit attached to it, the land is hers, he gets the fruit. The fruit attached to the land is like any other fruit that grows, it goes to the husband. But if she inherited land with fruit already detached, that fruit is like cash, which is sold, and that shalav yelokach bem karka, we buy with that real estate, and he gets the use from that real estate as well. Now, bearing in mind what the Chachamim just said, Reb Shimon points out that there's an inverse relationship between when he marries her and when he divorces her. Reb Shimon where he is stronger when they get married, when the fruit is attached to the ground, according to the Chachamim, he keeps that fruit. Then when they get divorced, fruit that's attached to the ground, she takes it with the real estate. Where on the other hand he's weak when they get married. If the fruit was detached, that's like cash, which we buy karka, and he just gets the future usufruct. He's stronger when they get divorced. If something is detached, he just keeps it. So Peiris hamachubarim lekarka, fruit that's attached to the ground when they get married, where we said that according to the Chacham, he keeps it. B'knisasa shalai, that when they get married, he keeps the fruit that's attached to the ground that she inherits. Ubitziasa, if there's still fruit attached to the ground when she gets divorced, shalosh, she takes the ground with the fruit. But that which is detached from the ground, b'knisasa, when they get married, shalosh, we said it's like cash, it's hers, and we buy karka, and he enjoys just the usufruct. Ubitziasa, but if there's fruit detached when they get divorced, that's already his. Shalai, that belongs to him. We want to thank you very much for joining us. I just want to say that I put a new share tonight on, last night I put on YouTube a share of Yisrael from 5781. There is a new share that I put on Yisrael. Why was Har Sinai so scary? So check that out on YouTube, my YouTube channel, and make sure to subscribe if you didn't subscribe, and to press like. Also, we want to remind you that if you would like to sponsor a Chumash share, 718-916-3100, rmmwsi@aol.com. You can also sponsor tomorrow's Chok, 718-916-3100. Thank you for joining us, and have a wonderful evening.